nature's gift. Oh, it's a thrill from mountains high to valleys low. We all can feel dependent on